Hi friends, let me show you these new pet blankets that I received for reviewing purposes. They are 41 by 31 inches size, so they are big enough so your pets can use them. They can use them in different situations. Let me show you first. They are really soft. They come with these paws drawings that I think are beautiful. This is a brown one, okay? And this is a gray one, okay? 41 by 31 inches. Okay, Milo took it. You could use them to protect any furniture or just to have them so your pets can sleep on them or play with them. Like Milo, he's taking them away. You can also use them to protect your furniture, like this bed. Milo, when you want your pets to go to sleep, like this, well, they don't want to sleep right now, but they could. And this way they will be comfortable in their own beds with these blankets. They are really soft. They are nice. Of course, you can wash them in the washer whenever you want to have them clean. So if you have pets, if you want them to be comfortable, and if you want to protect some of your furniture, these blankets are a great option. Thank you.